Uh, let's say you are a Magento developer, or you just using Magento for your e-commerce web solution. And you had version 1 deployed, and this is version 1, but now you are migrating to version 2, and you have it in test environment ready to be deployed in production to replace your previous version of Magento V1. Obviously, the whole reason you deployed it to test is because you want to test it to make sure that there is no bugs. And usually it takes a lot of time and you still might miss some issues. Well, unfortunately, usual test automation is not going to help you in here because version 2 is so much different compared to version 1 then every single step of your test automation will fail. It will literally not work. However, there is a solution. At testRigor AI, our tests are so stable that they can survive upgrades from Magento V1 to Magento V2. And in this particular case, we were able to go through all those steps on both systems and catch a bug. And you can see that old version on Magento V1 looked dramatically different compared to Magento V2. That also includes HTML structure as well. How is it possible? How do you do that? That's very simple. Usually, testRigor will find and identify functional end-to-end tests for you, but you can create your own if you'd like. For Magento, we would have them out of the box. And they would look like that. If you have new additional features in your Magento, it would be easy to update and modify to match your features if our system will not be able to detect it automatically. And literally, it's all plain English, walking you through the stuff in here. And it's so stable, it actually works on both previous version and old version. Another feature which I would like to show you is how do you work with entering data. And for that could be a good example. In this particular case, let's say we say enter Sunnyvale in a city. How do you do that? We detect like that the city input is this one right here because it is close to label or what we identify as a label, which visually looks like a label related to this input. So you can make things simple and just say enter Sunnyvale into city. And that is why our testing is so mind-blowingly stable. Thank you.